What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the remote start on a 2022 Toyota Tundra. So if you have the Toyota app, you can remote start your truck from your phone, but you can also do it from the fob, even though there's no dedicated button. What we're going to do is press the unlock button twice, and then we're going to press it a third time and hold it down for about 5 seconds. And this is pretty touchy on the speed in which you do this. But let's go ahead and give it a shot. And as you can see, once these parking lights start flashing like that, that means it's been accepted. And as you can hear there, the truck's on. And to shut it off, you just hit the unlock button. As soon as you hit the unlock button, it'll turn it off, which would actually be nice if you could keep it running until you got in and turn the ignition on, but that's the way it is. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.